What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to share a photo shoot I did yesterday. Lovely couple came from out of town. We did a beach engagement photo shoot, pre-wedding photo shoot. Sunday was the only day they could roll into town. They chose a beautiful location at the beach, and so we had no choice but to do it on a Sunday. Remember what I said about Sundays pre-wedding photo shoots? The worst day ever. Too many people out and about. It was a hot day yesterday, so we had no choice. They were coming in from out of town, and we just had to get this done. It was a madhouse. There was a lot of people at the beach. Not only beachgoers, but photo shoots. I mean, I had to dodge photographers. There was a bride and groom. There was a quinceañera going on. There was a family photo shoot going on. There was our lovely couple. And there was a few other photo shoots. I'm telling you, there was probably like 7 or 8 photographers just dodging for position. It was sunset time, so we didn't have that much time to get the shots in. But we did the best we could with the time allowed. And like I said again, dodging all those people, all those photo shoots, all those photographers. And somehow, with the help of the lovely couple and me, and also the video crew was there. He so happens to be a friend of mine, Arsenyan Video. We got it done, and I'm gonna share some moments of the photo shoot, and I'm also gonna share some images that we took. Lovely couple, lovely location. Everything was perfect, except for, the people around us. But like I said, you're a professional, you have to get the job done. You have to work with the tools that you have and the situation. So, on with the video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. So we started the photo shoot on the sand at the beach, a little picnic they put together. Everything was all set up, decorated, very nice. Mariam and Allen sat down, had a couple moments together, had a little lunch. We took some shots, capturing the moments. Their wedding is next year, which I'll be photographing, but good for them for planning the shoot way in advance. It's never a good idea to leave the pre-wedding last second. So you want to get this done and out of the way months in advance from the wedding date. So all you photographers, let your clients know. And here's an example why you should never book on a Sunday. A lot of people at the beach. So I had to make the proper adjustments on the next photo. But it's obvious the other angle and the lighting is better. Anyway, we got a pre-wedding to shoot, so I'll make it up then. On with the shoot. What's good, guys? This is Vahagraphy. I'm Vahagan, your rock and roll photographer. Today, we're at the beach. We're gonna do an engagement shoot. Sunset. Beautiful waves. Only thing is there's a lot of people around, but we're gonna see what we could do. All right, guys? You guys ready? Let's go, rock and roll. Engagement shoot time. We have our couple right here coming. They're ready to go. You guys ready for the photo shoot?
Let's do it.
All right, we got a beautiful couple here. Okay, guys, look at each other. Good. Couple more, that's beautiful. Couple more, good. Here we go. We don't have that much time, so we're trying to get it as quick as we can. Look at each other. I want to get a couple, just you guys walking along the beach. Let's go over there where the waves are crashing, like by those rocks over there. Let's go there. Let's go. Okay, walk and talk, guys. So the photo shoot went well. It's always a plus when the couple is fun and we have a good time all around. So here are some more images of the engagement photos. These photos I selected
as some of the best ones from the shoot. I try to have a good balance of different types of shots from the session. It's always good to get these type of traditional shots out of the way. These kind of shots are the ones moms look for. And then you can get creative shots like these. Landscape, beautiful scenery, kissing, you name it. Romantic, look at this shot right here. And always have good patience and tell your couple to have patience just to capture waves like this. And this shot right here, the expression on her face, the sunset, this is exactly what I was envisioning.
Hopefully you liked this video. If you want more videos like this and all things photography, please like and subscribe to Vahagraphy. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. This is Vahagraphy. I'm Vahagan, your rock and roll photographer. We'll see you on the next video.